What 2x10?
Or 8, whatever the fuck it is.
Oh, what's that? What's that gonna do?
You can move the pad underneath.
Oh.
That's going to be a long one now. Okay. Do you have any 4x4?
Huh?
Is there a 4x4?
No. No, we don't. There's no piece left over, eh?
Shit. Fuck, I'd be running around. They drive here, drive there. Fucking use up all my gas.
We can't even put post up.
Fuck. I thought there was a 4. I guess I
You put
used
the
it.
nailer on.
You get the hanger nails anyways.
I need the hanger nails. I'll make a list then.
7.5, the motherfucker is. Oh. 7 and 3.
We got all the screws we need. Fast, eh?
I hope that's. Oh, yeah, I just double got it in there.
Fasteners. We got no of the fucking facial screws.
GRKs?
No, these fucking.
No, but didn't I have some for that? I can't remember. It's been so
We
long.
got the old ones, but we kept the old one in that box, wherever the box is.
Into here.
No, these ones for the outside of skirting. These flat-headed fucking screws here that go in.
Hold it. I bought a box of those GRKs.
Those big wherever those big pieces are.
Remember?
Yeah, GRKs. Yeah, but those were for fucking going at the house. I'm talking about when we go to put this fucking Trex on.
Oh, I
Trex
got
screws.
those. I got
things.
they're right in here. No, I don't know about all of them, but
yeah, we got. Oh, so we're just using the old ones then.
I got to pick up a box of composite screws. I think.
That's what I mean. When they
Instead of trying to use those, right?
So we got these guys, right? We must be able to reuse maybe those, right? But then you got those must be the.
That's for the hidden fasteners. I got those, so we don't even need these ones.
But
these ones.
We could use these ones, right? You know what I mean? Because they were. So I don't know, like what else we need? Like, is there
hanger nails, composite nails, 4x4.
Like these guys got
How do
this
you-
brown and it's fucking gray fucking siding. You know what I mean? They're in the same color.
Oh,
I don't know. There's enough of them. I don't know if we kept them all, but that's a different kind of screw, eh? Got fucking a lot of them. I don't know if I got all of them.
hello.
I got that many of them. Well, a couple dozen. 15, 16. What's the plan, Stan? You going driving?
Sure.
Get it done.
We'll get it right now.
Get it done and get this fucking project completed. Well,
Go to my house to get
oh
the.
yeah, I'm gonna have to fuck with that. I better get on that, I guess. You said that trim was here, right?